Learn easy English, one scene at a time. Perfect for beginners and kids. Episode 1. Birth of a King. Long ago, there was a king. Long ago, there was a king. The king lived in a large castle. The king lived in a large castle. The queen also lived in the castle. The queen also lived in the castle. They were a happy couple. They were a happy couple. Peaceful days continued in the kingdom. Peaceful days continued in the kingdom. The people lived in peace. The people lived in peace. They had only one wish. They had only one wish. The king had no child. The king had no child. The queen also wanted a child. The queen also wanted a child. They prayed every day. They prayed every day. One spring day, news arrived. One spring day, news arrived. The queen was having a baby. The queen was having a baby. The king was very happy. The king was very happy. The queen smiled softly. The queen smiled softly. The servants bowed their heads. The servants bowed their heads. Bells rang across the whole land. Bells rang across the whole land. The people gathered in the square. The people gathered in the square. Flowers were placed in the town. Flowers were placed in the town. The market became very busy. The market became very busy. Children ran all around. Children ran all around. Time passed slowly. Time passed slowly. The king cared for the queen. The king cared for the queen. The queen rested with great care. The queen rested with great care. The doctor came every day. The doctor came every day. The servants prepared the castle. The servants prepared the castle. A room for the baby was made. A room for the baby was made. White cloth was brought. White cloth was brought. A small cradle also came. A small cradle also came. The king came to see it many times. The king came to see it many times. The queen smiled gently. The queen smiled gently. At last, the day arrived to give birth. At last, the day arrived to give birth. The morning sun rose in the sky. The morning sun rose in the sky. Inside the castle, it was very quiet. Inside the castle, it was very quiet. The people waited and prayed. The people waited and prayed. The king kept walking the hallway. The king kept walking the hallway. The queen stayed very strong. The queen stayed very strong. After a while, a voice was heard. After a while, a voice was heard. It was a baby's cry. It was a baby's cry. The king stopped and listened. The king stopped and listened. The servants looked at each other. The servants looked at each other. Soon, the door was opened. Soon, the door was opened. The doctor bowed very deeply. The doctor bowed very deeply. A healthy princess was born. A healthy princess was born. The king shed tears. The king shed tears. The queen held the princess. The queen held the princess. The princess moved her small hands. The princess moved her small hands. Smiles spread through the whole castle. Smiles spread through the whole castle. Bells rang many times. Bells rang many times. The whole country celebrated. The whole country celebrated. And so, the princess was born. And so, the princess was born. Thank you for watching. We will upload new stories every day. Let's enjoy learning English together.